We have our first post in. It was a little bit of a challenge because we had to jack it up so much. You can see where we kept raising it up here. It was off about 3 inches. Had to keep raising it and jam the post in there, or a good heavy duty wood, and hammered that in. Also kept prying this one up. And finally we have it in. So what we're going to do now is we're going to plumb it up. So I'm going to take my chalk line, which once it stops swinging will hang up and down. So first we're going to put a mark. We'd like them to line up with this post right here, or yeah, the bottom post. So we're going to say about right in here. Let's put a mark. So what I want to do now is pull our plumb bob, or chalk line really, but we're not going to use the chalk line of it. All we want to do is, you can see I'm holding it about in the center of the post, and it's about right on my line. So that looks good there. But what we're going to do is we're going to go up there and we're going to hang it down the whole distance. And after it stops swinging, we want it to line up the center of it right on our pencil mark there. Then we're going to come over and do the same thing here. We're going to go up and hang from the top of the center and then put a mark on the floor here. I'll have to have Amy do that. And then I can center the bottom of the post up. And then I can go back up there and screw it in. And we should have it straight both ways. So that's what we're going to do now.